Hey, it's Berta J, and you are back in my kitchen with me today to make something that is very delicious. I do like sauces and gravies and things to make things taste better, food taste better. This recipe is from Mary McDougall and is really simple. It's called creamy golden gravy. And it's really, really simple, guys. You're gonna love it. First thing you're gonna do, pour 1 cup of vegetable broth into a pan. Now, I'm using a frying pan, but you can use a saucepan if you would like. You have to mix together 1 tablespoon of tamari. I use the low sodium with 1 tablespoon of tahini. That's going to give it a delicious taste. Also use a spatula. Be patient. It's going to take a minute or two. Bring your pan over. Scrape out this tahini and tamari mixture right into that veggie broth. Stir this into the veggie broth, and then we'll go over to the stove and it will start to thicken, but not a whole lot. Now you need to make a roux. To the 3 tablespoons of liquid, add 1/8 of a cup, which is 2 tablespoons of brown rice flour. Sift it over the top. Use a whisk to smooth it out. And it's smooth now. Go back to your mixture on the stove, which is boiling now. It's gonna separate a little, but it's okay. Pour your roux into your gravy and it will thicken it quite nicely. And then stir, keep stirring, and it will thicken it. Now this gravy will be thick right now after we get it all incorporated, but when you put it in the refrigerator, you're going to store it in an airtight container. And when you do that, it'll get even thicker. What I have here are potatoes that I've already roasted. I'm going to put the gravy over it and then eat it after this video is done. Do it like you would do your gravy, any gravy. Even when you don't like something, if you like the gravy or sauce, you're going to eat that food. I'm going to pour this over right from the pan. This is a lot of gravy. Berta J likes gravy. My mom made the best gravy. Top it with a little bit of parsley flakes. Then top it with some black pepper. This is a smidgen. And I want to taste it. I didn't eat before the video. Okay, here goes, guys. This is good. This is very, very good. And I enjoy this now over your grains with potatoes. You can, any way you would use gravy, use this. That's the end of the video. I hope you'll make this gravy. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. Leave me some comments and let me know what you think. And if anything I've said you're not quite sure, oh, Berta, did you mean that? Or did you mean that? Troopers, just write me a question and I'll answer it. Okay? But I hope you'll give this a try. And I want to leave you with one thing that I call her my friend, even though she doesn't know me, because I look at her videos a lot. Brittany Giroudi. In one of her videos, she talked about how she lost 70 pounds by using sauces, condiments, and gravies. And she put it over foods she really wasn't that crazy about, but she knew it was good for her. So I'm encouraging you to eat healthier, even though you make that, whatever it is. Maybe you've never tried Brussels sprouts and potatoes. Got your Brussels sprouts and your potatoes there? Pour some gravy over it if you don't like it the way it tastes. It's a good way to get good food into your body. Okay? That's it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time, troopers. Bye for now.